What's up, you guys? So I don't know if you can see, but the weather has been like this for the past 2-3 days maybe. It has been raining non-stop. Instead of sitting at home and enjoying this weather and just chilling and maybe Netflix and chilling at home, I decided to come out and get my cycling session in, because the days that I don't work out or do any kind of physical activity, those are the days that I just feel abnormal. I just need my daily dose of activity and workout in order to function properly, in order for my productivity to be optimal. So no matter the weather, I'm going to get my workout in, and trust me, it's so much more amazing to be cycling in this beautiful weather and this cool breeze and this beautiful surrounding than to be stuck at home in front of a screen. Now I know this is not the video you all clicked to see, so let's not waste any more time and get back to my home studio and continue the video you all want to see. To give you a little bit of backstory, since the pandemic hit in 2020, my folks literally haven't been anywhere. They haven't gone out, they've been social distancing, they've been quarantined in the house, and they haven't gone anywhere. So last weekend was my mom's 60th birthday, so we decided to go to the Grand Hyatt and just spend the weekend there. It will be a nice break and a nice change from everything. To be honest, I did not prepare anything for this trip. I did not even pack. Check-in was at 2 o'clock and I reached home at about 1:30, and in a hurry I started to pack, and that's when I realized that today is gonna be one of those days.
Okay, I have a problem. I can't find any kind of pin to bring my SD card out and put it into my camera. So without that, I can't record on my camera because I don't have an SD card. So let's hope we find something. Something that I need, something that can work as a SD card pin, because I need it. Not looking good. No.
Finally, I was able to find a kind of wire, but it was really thick and it had an outside plastic covering. So with my teeth, I kind of ripped off the plastic covering. After like 15-20 minutes of effort, I was finally able to do it and get the SD card out and into my cam. And so the foolish me just brought one pair of shoes. I forgot anything else except, I forgot any other kind of footwear except the one that I was wearing when I left. So I guess we're gonna have to do with this. Apparently we are in Caribbean.
Hitting the wall.
It's very windy and I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain soon. But it's just beautiful. The weather is rock. Okay, so I know that the gym is closed and we are not able to get a proper workout, but I found another way to get an epic workout in. I already started, that's why you can probably see me panting a bit, but I just thought, why not bring you guys along with me as well. As a kid, I was always told not to jump on the bed. So now that I'm an adult, I'm gonna do it.